Well, hello, it's Bears back. Um, I, I got to tell you, we got a real winner this time. I wasn't expecting this, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. It's not a picking video. I'm gonna make a quick video here to inform you if you try this. Anyway, I found that these Stanleys have this ridge goes all the way in, and then this is your backstop right here, this top piece. Well, on the Lishi, on a 6-pinner, this goes all the way in, and that little piece up there, that little cutout part, that's your stop piece. Okay, you can take the key, because it doesn't have anything blocking it on the bottom. It goes all the way in and unlocks the lock. Okay, and here's the real winner, guys. This one goes in, but this one is actually stopped by the bottom. Let me show you. There's my light. If you can see, and let me get it where you can see it. Dang, it's too bright still. Dang, come on. That bottom piece right there is hitting that plate, this plate. It's hitting this plate. So this one actually does need to be cut back about that far on the bottom for this to work with these kind of plates on them. Now this thing you can pick this or use a key and gut it without taking this rubber piece off. And this thing is, I can't get it off, but it's cut out enough where this whole plate will come out. But the problem is, if you look at the key, this bottom has no stop. This does. Where you're even right here at the top, that's where your stops are, if you can see what I'm talking about. These parts go inside, and there's your stop. But this bottom stops you from getting in past this plate here. So this is the real deal here, that if you get one of these and you're going to try to use the SC4 Lishi on the Stanley, you're going to have to cut that bottom back. So that's what I have for you today, is a little heads up that if you go to try this in there and you're not paying attention, it's not going to work. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.